they start implementing ESI and they give a monsoon allowance and they start giving adequate pension. Pension is only 1,000 rupees. Our demand is for 5,000. So if they make it at least 3,000 and register more workers, then more benefit, then this money won't be adequate. We have calculated and shown actuaries. Even this money, 1% of cess is not enough. Actually, they should collect 2% of cess. So, in fact, the Central Act provides for cess collection up to 2%. But even this 1%, they are not even implementing, they are not spending. That is the problem. That is because they are not giving adequate measures. See, if they gave non-employment allowance, 4,000 for every worker, yeah, utilization is not a problem. They are not willing to utilize. They don't want to utilize. We want these GOs to be cancelled, this 122, 123, 124, so that the revenue department in road should not be there. And every worker must be compulsorily registered, and there should be coverage of ESI, there should be unemployment allowance. For monsoon, there should be a pension of at least 5,000, if not 5,000, at least 3,000. So all these benefits have to be given.
Please let them put things in order. Let them put the house in order, let the system be in place, things will happen. Otherwise, anybody can walk in, anybody can walk out. That's all what is happening. What else do you expect? When the basics are not in position, there's nothing you can talk about. Yes, we can say we want 10 lakhs. I was just telling you about the money, that about the marriage, some 50,000 here, they are giving 35,000. That is not the issue. The issue is very simple. Even for a pension, you should know how many people who are registered with you are going to become 60. Every year, every month, every day, for that matter. Then you should know your resources. It's not anybody coming and demanding, okay, give me 10 lakhs. That is not the way. Either two ways is possible. One, how to increase your resources, or how to maintain this survey. This thing. It's not just survey. You should know what is the issue. We don't know anything. You just simply go and make this thing in a public meeting. That doesn't really matter. Because I spoke in a conference, I have to be honored. Not what he spoke is to be honored. You have to be honored how you have come to that conclusion.
All the trade union representatives, they must participate in the welfare board. They have to include the trade union representatives. Then it must be all computerized. Now they are doing the computer system, but few are there. Now as a citizen, I have so many cards: voter ID card, ration card, Aadhaar card, and this welfare board card, driving license. The card must be one in multi-purpose card. They have to give only one card. It can be used for so many benefits or identification problems. We have so many cards, so many identifications. Normally they put wrong information. When my name is Mohan, they will enter Mohana in the card. Normally the card will be rejected. All to be computerized. The shortage of manpower should addressed properly. In all the welfare board office, there are NMRs there, temporary workers, casual laborers. They have expert. Any expert, they don't have any expertise in this work. As the department,
should be there.
Major work is the labor inspector's major work is to check the shops on weighing machines.
Okay.
They have to put the full-time labor officer or in charge of the labor welfare board office. The office will function correctly.